Welcome. This video is going to be about beaming musical notes. So when we're beaming musical notes, we take like eighth notes, 16th notes. They are connected together up here, okay? How do we know where to connect them, why, how, etc.? That's what this video is about. So one fundamental thing about beaming is it's going to highlight your organization of your beats in your meter. So what does that mean? Let's look at an example. So here we have 2/4. So let's say duple meter. This is telling us we have 2 beats. Because we have 2 beats, we're going to separate those beats to emphasize the fact that this is a duple meter, that this is in 2/4. There's also a second reason why we didn't connect these, and that's because a very strong rule of beaming is do not cross the very center of the measure. So in 2/4 and 4/4 we have even numbers, so we do have a center. But in, for example, a number like 3, we don't have that even separation of our beats. So in this case, they're just highlighting each of the 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. But as you can see, there's no actual middle to where you could connect 2 notes together. Technically, it's not even. So as you can see here, we actually grouped beats 1 and 2 together. Then we have a separation. Then we group beats 3 and 4 together. So why did we do that? Why did we not emphasize and separate each beat? Well, that's because we started on the 1. Since we started on the 1, we're able to carry on to the end of this 2, and then we're able to go to our next stronger beat with our beat hierarchy. The fact that our 1 and our 3 are our more strong beats. So if I did start these notes on the 2, for 1, I wouldn't be able to beam in between the 2 and the 3, and then I would start beaming outside of my measure. So as you can see here, this makes a lot of sense here. We start our beam on the 1, we end on the end of the 2, and then we start on our next strong beat, and we go to the end of the 4. Okay, so here's something good. It's a little exercise. It's try snapping in 4/4, 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn it into 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see what I did? I'm still counting 1, 2, 3, 4, but I was in the beginning snapping 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second time I'm only snapping 1 and 3. So now you can switch it up and only snap the 2 and the 4 to kind of get the feeling of that upbeat. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Little things like that will just familiarize yourself with certain beat patterns and get yourself counting and recognizing rhythm a lot more fluently. That is the end of this beaming musical notes video. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to add, please let me know in the comments below. Have a good one.